are again with the here we are again with a beautiful Denise Serra. She's posing for us for the channel, and she's a model and inspiring actress, and we will show you like a funny video, something that reminds us of the woman in red. In this case we had a black dress, so we can call her the woman in black, but you know, it's just for fun. We will show you the behind the scenes of how it works, this kind of stuff. So okay, action. You keep on dance a little bit here, you stay here by the fans. Yeah, bella così, bravissima. Then I'll go, you know, close to you, just to show the people how a gimbal, working with a gimbal works. So it's the Zhyhun WeeBill S. It's a beautiful motor, and the Fujifilm X-H1. You can use any mirrorless or cinema camera. So any kind of camera, it's okay. So, you know, romantic, etc. Beautiful. Okay, this way, up here. Okay, mono mode. Sorry, you have to adjust to continuous autofocus. There we go, and we play again this side, so it's easier for you to look at the camera without the sign in front of you, which is good. Okay, and then we will show you the trick. There's, you know, a wind machine in this position. Then she will move from this direction, you go into the other direction. Okay, so you pretend to go and see that in the moment. Oh wow, it starts like this. It's funny joke, just a funny video, but you know, it's cool to see, funny to see her, and you know, this cowgirl shot way to. Okay, and we will show you, you know, the entire scene with her and the wind machine. It's strong, isn't it? Strong. It's strong. È forte. Okay, and we have it. Stop. Bellissima. Okay, and we have it here. Hit the like button if you want to see even these funny videos. And join us by subscribing to the channel, and to you can also activate the ring bell icon so that you can be updated about new videos we will upload on the platform. So join us, stay tuned for new content. Joking, you know, we like to joke, we like to do serious stuff, whatever, but it's about beauty, it's about filmmaking, it's about photography, any kind of. Okay, thank you, ciao for now.